Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be showing you this 2025 Lincoln Navigator Black Label. If you have any more questions about this vehicle, contact Francisco. The number will be linked down below. And we've seen the comments. Yeah, we don't know about cars. We're just showing you what we know. Okay? But with that being said, let's show you the car. Okay, well now let's show you the inside of this Navigator. You can see the steering wheel. It's kind of giving Tesla. Okay. But anyways, oh damn, look at that. Right there. You're turning. I got you. Oh, yeah, I don't think you can see, but it's like a little camera. Okay. I can definitely pass my license test on this one. Okay, and these buttons, I don't know what they do, but pretty cool, I guess. A remote? For what? Wait, what is a remote for?
Watch TV.
Yeah. And then the most important thing here, look at this. Now let's look at the back. Okay, showed you the front. Now let's look at the back. Okay. Okay. See, we have like little iPads. Here, cup holders and charge your phone. Here shows you the time. Oh, okay. See, they give you massage. Okay. Loki, I think I'm gonna stay here. Hey, well. Okay, so we were here, right? This basically charges your phone as well. Hello? Hold on. Okay, there we go. Now it's charging. And then the two cup holders. And here, I don't know what this is for. Is for the windows? Oh. Okay, okay. More of this. Okay. It's pretty cool. Usually it's the driver or the passenger that has that control, so it's kind of nice. Here we have it's charged. Here, what is this? Oh, another two cup holders. I wonder what this is in here. Me salió otra araña. I don't know, it's just extra storage. It's pretty cool. Okay. Yeah, basically pretty cool. Actually, this is my second favorite part. My favorite part is the massages. I'm actually current right now getting a full recovery from last night. Went to a party, so it's pretty cool. And one more thing, if you could help us, please click. I'm not gonna cut this out. Please click the link down below and complete your Amazon purchases through there. Okay, now let's go to the back, or to the last row actually, because this is back seat. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay, so the last row is kind of boring. This is where you put the people you don't like. They only you only have heating. I believe that's it. And you have cup holders here on the side, and then you have the bougie people type charger. No mas. So that's pretty much it back here. Yeah, I think that's it. People you don't like. The people they don't like. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.